This morning I'm standing here in our earliest cantaloupe field, and as we can see, and you'll see in a moment through the camera shot, that we are at the second to last irrigation. We spread our irrigations roughly 6 to 7 days apart, and why that's so important is because when we come into harvest, our hopes is always that the melon is on a dry surface, that it's laying on the top of the cantaloupe bed itself, and it's the intent to always keep the surface of the bed dry. And when I look down and we see the melons here, we're always hoping to see fully netted throughout the melon itself, 100% of the melon itself having net. And if we actually take a picture, we can look down to see what we call the furrow. And the furrow is, the bottom of the furrow is this area, and the water enters on the upper end, and there's enough fall in the field to where the water moves down the furrow, and we keep it here roughly for 12 to 14 hours, allowing enough penetration into the cantaloupe bed where the roots are, but still accomplishing a dry surface on the top of the bed so that we have the fully netted melons. And for the consumer, that's critical because it's always more appealing when a cantaloupe is fully netted throughout. So we're getting close. This particular field is approximately 2 weeks away from harvest, and with the current weather forecasting of slightly above normal temperatures, we're once again very encouraged. Also, I just want to speak to that fact that one of probably the strongest qualities of the Imperial Valley's temperature climate is that we are very dry and warm. That allows us to have every opportunity to produce a high quality early cantaloupe, one of the earliest in the domestic United States.